What's up, mainframers? In this video, I'm going to be covering what are the common types of datasets being used on the mainframe. By the end of this video, you're going to have a better understanding what are the datasets and how do we use them, just like a seasoned pro. You are probably already familiar with files and folders. A file is a picture, a video, a text, or some digital representation. A folder is something that contains files and other folders. We use folders to keep our items organized. On the ZOS mainframe, we have the similar concepts, which are datasets and members. Partition datasets are like folders, which contain multiple members. Every row in a member is a record. Sequential datasets, so think of them as plain files that contain records. Records are stored one after the other, like lines in a text. So when do you use partition datasets and sequential datasets? Well, it all depends how you wish to access your data. Partition datasets are often used to store members like programs, jobs, copybooks, things that you want to keep organized in groups. Whereas sequential datasets are just flat data files, where it has a start and a finish from top to bottom. All you want to do is to be able to read them and process them, which we call input throughput. So in the next set of ISPF tutorials that I have, I'm going to be showing you how to allocate, browse, and edit datasets using ISPF. If you're learning the mainframe or just brushing up on your ISPF skill, then I'd like to ask you to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification button to be notified for new upcoming tutorials coming your way. Thanks for tuning in, mainframers. Until next time, I will see you later.